Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a USB device to a Hyper-V virtual machine using the updated method. By default, Hyper-V doesn't provide direct USB pass-through, which can be frustrating if you need flash drives, external storage, or dongles inside your VM. Here's the workaround. First, plug your USB device into the host machine, and then next is you're going to open disk management on the host, find your USB drive, and take it offline. This step is important because the drive can't be used in both systems at the same time. Now you're going to open the Hyper-V manager, right-click on your virtual machine, and go to Settings. Under the SCSI controller section, you're going to choose Hard Drive and then Add. Browse for the USB drive, which should now appear as a physical disk, and attach it to your VM. Start the virtual machine, and Windows or Linux inside the VM should detect the drive as if it were connected directly. If you're using USB devices other than storage like printers or security keys, you may need to use remote desktop redirection. Connect to the VM using RDP, enable local resources, and tick the USB device redirect option. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.